The project's scope encompassed the design, procurement, manufacture, transport, and installation of the foundations for 67 wind turbines. These foundations consisted of enormous monopiles and transition pieces. The monopiles, designed and fabricated in Rostock, Germany, are truly colossal. They are the world's largest, with a staggering length of up to 85 meters, a diameter of 7.8 meters, and weighing up to 1,300 tons. The transition pieces, each weighing 350 tons, were fabricated in Allbord, Denmark. Both components were then transported to a marshalling yard at Eemshaven, Netherlands, in preparation for installation.